court proceedings. This one is from the Rouse Avenue Court, so we request you to stay on with us. Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has reserved judgment in a case against former MP Sajjan Kumar in an anti-Sikh rights case. The court is to pronounce an order on January 22nd. This case pertains to the incident that took place in Janakpuri and Vikaspuri areas. So, Sambhav, could you also take us through the details of Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court reserving its judgment?
Well, yes, another important in the 1984 Anti-Sikh Riots case from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. The Rouse Avenue Court has reserved the judgment in this particular case against former Congress Member of Parliament Sajjan Kumar. This case is, if we talk about this particular case, because there are a number of FIRs in this particular case, and this case is linked to the FIR registered in the Janakpuri and Vikaspuri police stations. So here, what is important is that these two FIRs linked to Janakpuri and Vikaspuri, FIRs, the court has listed the matter for the pronouncement of judgment on January 22nd. And if we talk about what is the current status, Sajjan Kumar was discharged of murder charges in this particular case in 2013. So, I beg your pardon, 2023. The Janakpuri case, if I talk about, this particular case pertains to the killing of the two Sikhs, Sohan Singh and his son-in-law of Star Singh on November 1, 1984. And the second case, the Vikaspuri police, the burning of one Sikh on November 2nd, 1984. This particular case was before Judge Vinay Singh. He reserved the judgment after hearing the final argument by the counsel for accused Sajjan Kumar and additional public prosecutor. If we talk about one or two important arguments, what the additional public prosecutor Manish Rawat has said in the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court, he appeared for the prosecution, and arguments were made against, in this particular case, against Sajjan Kumar by additional public prosecutor. Now it is to be seen what happens next. If we talk about the charges here, charges are Indian Penal Code 147, which is punishment for writing, and 148, which is writing armed with deadly weapons, and 149, that is offense is committed by any member of unlawful assembly in prosecution of the common object of that assembly. And there are several other charges which include 307, which is attempt to murder, and 308, which is attempt to commit homicide. There are many other charges as well. Court, while ordering framing of charges, stated that, and I quote, that this court is of prima facie review that the oral and documentary evidence placed on record by prosecution is sufficient to hold that unlawful assembly or the mob constituting of hundreds of persons and armed with deadly weapons like dandas, iron rods, bricks, stones, etc. had gathered near the Gurudwara situated in Gulab Bagh, Nevada on 1st of November 1984, unquote. Now it is to be seen what the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court will have to say, as it has reserved a judgment in 1984 riots and placed it for pronouncement of judgment on 22nd of January.